What's up, people? How's it going? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So unlike the past few weeks, today's vlog, or the Tuesday's vlog will not be a Sunday ride vlog. And the reason for that is I was being lazy in general. So that being said, today's vlog is going to be a short one. So not many talking points. So mostly today's vlog, is sort of like taking stock of things and see, where we are heading. So as of now, I think I've uploaded 40 odd videos or 40 odd motor vlogs with this point of view, and the main purpose of doing the same kind of videos over and again is to get used to it, because obviously I haven't done this before this. So there was an element of getting familiar with talking, thinking, driving, etc. That too in traffic. So that was one of the objectives. Second is see if I can keep it going, see if I can get past the initial enthusiasm to continue. So I feel in many ways those objectives have been met. So I am comfortable now to a certain degree, wherein I can talk, think and drive and and be cognizant of all the things that are happening around me and do it in a safe way. So I think that objective is met, and I feel the enthusiasm levels also have sustained. So now the focus would be in taking things to the next level. So far in these videos, somehow the primary subject or object of focus probably is me and what I'm saying, and probably I would like to switch that up a bit. So now the objective would be to find good subjects for the video, wherein it's not just about me or my thoughts. So that's something that's on my mind. So having said all that, I would also like to tie it up all nicely within the ambit of the channel name. So far I haven't really thought about what would be the vision or mission of the channel, and so that's something that needs to be addressed. So let's see what gives. So I'm hoping or anticipating that there'll be some changes. So I would like to decrease the number of motor vlogs and try to do different things. So what those different things are also to be debated and figured out. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, you can mention them in the comments down below. Further, I am also thinking of decreasing the number of videos. Earlier it was 5. I'll probably now reduce it to 3, so that I have time to think and plan. So let's see how those things pan out. So that's the plan for now. So with these thoughts, I'll be signing off from today's vlog, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. So until then, peace out.